back for another garden tip with Molly at Botanica. Today we're just going to have a quick video to talk about rain gauges in your garden. So if you don't already have one at your house, it's a good idea to have a rain gauge so that you can monitor how much rainfall is in your landscape and what kind of moisture your plants are receiving. So that way you can know when to water and when you can hold off after we've gotten a good amount of rainfall, because sometimes it'll pour for like 10 minutes, but you might not get enough rain to thoroughly water your plants. So if you have one, just look for one that will, most of them are going to have a measurement of how much rainfall you get in inches and down to the 100th of an inch sometimes. And you want to make sure that it's in a location that isn't obstructed by like trees overhead, because that can mess up the measurement of how much water is actually falling. So make sure that it's in an open area. So a good idea is to have it on a fence like what we've got here. It's just on a privacy fence mounted and there's nothing around it, so that we get an accurate measurement. So if you check your rain gauge every time that it rains, your plants in your landscape in the ground are typically going to need 1 to 2 inches of rainfall a week, especially in the summer. So in these hot months, it's important to monitor your plants. So if you notice they're wilting, you need to go ahead and water. So if you know that you've received at least 1 to 2 inches, then you're probably good as far as checking your rain gauge. But other than that, here at Botanica, we water at least 2 to 3 times a week. But we do monitor the soil moisture, and other than that, it's just kind of a timing thing, and we all know how much water we put down. But you do want to check your plants to see if they're wilting, and go ahead and water at least once a week in the hot summer months, but sometimes 2 times a week or even 3 times a week. So, but a rain gauge will help you do that, and it will help you know how much water is being applied to your plants. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next week for another garden tip.